Hey beautiful souls, we're going to talk about how to change the oil on your vehicle. It's pretty basic maintenance, fairly easy, but extremely important. I own a 20-year-old van, so I change my oil quite excessively just to maintain the performance of my engine. You will need oil that suits your vehicle. Now the oil my vehicle takes is 10W30 because it is a large cargo van. Your vehicle, if it's smaller, will probably be 5W, but you want to go on Google and look up the make and model of your vehicle and what kind of oil it takes, because it's very important you have the right kind of oil. A wrench that fits the size of the nut on your oil drain container. Mine is 5/8 size, yours may be different. You can't just throw your oil on the ground. The way our species acts, I had to mention that. So you will need an oil drain container. You can use a bucket or something, but it has to be able to fit underneath your vehicle. An oil filter wrench, a funnel, and an oil filter. Step 1, that's 2. Step 1, get your ass into your car, crawl around until you find this thing that looks like a nipple. You'll find it right behind the long bar that connects your two front wheels. Position your drain container right under the nipple so that when it flows, it'll go right into the hole. Tap into that muscle, stick it on there, and loosen. Ah! Okay. When it's finally done, stick your nut back in there and screw it. You're gonna stick your nut in and screw it. Push the drain container out of the way. Grab your wrench and tighten that bitch. Ah! On the left side of your engine, there is a circular contraption called an oil filter. And that's just where this comes in. In reference to where you just worked on, at the nipple, the oil filter is going to be right to the left of it. Remove the oil filter. You might want to bring the drain container under the oil filter because it also has a lot of oil. Install your new oil filter. When it's nice and tight after you screw it, this sounds so dirty. Grab your oil filter wrench and make it tight. Emerge from the depths of your vehicle. Now that you're nice and disheveled, open your hood. Under all circumstances, don't touch your face. Now you're gonna scour the inside of your vehicle for the oil. Mine isn't labeled, maybe yours will be. This is what it looks like for my vehicle. Don't pour it in the engine coolant. Don't pour it in the washer fluid only. Pour it in the oil. It doesn't say it's oil, but you should know. Just kidding. Make sure to figure out which is oil. Unscrew the cap. Stick it in the hole. There you have it. You've successfully just changed your oil. You are a strong woman or man, and now you're just left with a bucket full of dirty oil that you can't dump on the earth, but you can bring it to AutoZone, or most auto parts stores, if they're not bitches, will dump it and dispose of it for you. Please don't throw it in the trash. Please don't throw it in the ocean. I trust you. Now, I highly suggest that you take a goddamn shower.